let's get started. The ingredients you'll need to prepare this mask are an avocado, an egg, honey of your choice, I got this at BJ's, and last, olive oil, I got this at BJ's as well. First, you're going to start by cutting the avocado in half. Avocado is rich in vitamins, proteins, and amino acids. It promotes hair growth and it also moisturizes your scalp. You can smash the avocado with whatever tool you like. I just used a fork. If you feel like half of the avocado isn't enough, then add the other half. Next, we're going to add an egg. The egg adds shine, can curb hair loss and breakage, promotes hair growth, and improves hair elasticity. Then we're going to add 3 teaspoons of olive oil. Olive oil is high in antioxidant, can prevent hair from cell damage, and promotes hair nourishment. The fourth ingredient is honey. Honey moisturizes and can help restore the natural luster of your hair. Last, you want to mix it all together until it gets kind of liquidy. You want to have little to no chunks of aguacate as possible. I'm now going to section my hair into 4 parts. It just makes it easier for me when I'm applying the mask. Remember those little chunks of avocado I told you guys to avoid? Well, there they go. I then proceed to repeat this same step all over my head in all 4 sections. If you still have little chunks of avocado left in your hair, just apply a little bit of more pressure while applying the mask. I washed my hair out and these are my results, guys. My hair is pretty shiny, shinier than the usual, so this definitely did some justice. It's very soft too. So that was all I had for you guys today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this DIY mask and try it on your own. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so right now. Hit the like button if you did like this video and turn on your bell notifications so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys next Thursday.